Hello all of you, welcome to our new video on Microsoft Excel. Today we are going to see a new Excel feature. So we are going to open Microsoft Excel. I will just zoom it for you. So guys, if we have a data and if you have to represent that data in terms of chart or a graph, so let's see how we can do that in Excel. Suppose you have a student named as 1, 2, or we can say A, B, C, D and E, and mark out of 100. So suppose we are having this set of marks and I have to represent that in terms of a bar graph. So you can just select this data, go on insert. In insert you will see that there are n number of tabs, so you can go for this bar chart like this 2D column. So if you keep your tab on this, you will see that in the background these charts are changing. Suppose this is the chart. I've selected this. So see, student A has 46 marks, so the line is between 40 and 60. If I have to add data labels, you can add data labels like this. So see, student A has 50 marks, student B has 95 marks out of 100, C has 65. So that instead of this table, this representation of graph becomes very important. Suppose as this is a live interpretation of the data, suppose I change this 65 to 60. Let's see what it does. So see, it just changes the length. Suppose for 46 I require only 10. So see where it goes. It changes live. So in this way you can use the feature of 2D bar graph in Microsoft Excel. Thank you all of you.